Water at the US-Mexico boundary region is in high demand, but we're also facing a pressing water crisis. From water shortages to sewage contamination of our waterways, these are the types of water-related problems that directly impact human health and the livelihoods of more than 7 million people in our border region. So our big idea is reimagining transboundary water, and that means working with our community of experts in the US and in Mexico to do research and really understand the magnitude of the water challenges that we're facing. And then we can begin to re-envision the way we manage water, rethink the way we treat water, and develop other solutions that are win-win solutions for communities on both sides of the border here in the San Diego-Tijuana region and all the way across to Imperial Valley-Mexicali Valley.
The water crisis in our shared US-Mexico border region has become especially acute over the past few years. Millions of gallons of sewage, as well as tens of thousands of tons of sediment and trash, reach our coast from watersheds originating on both sides of the border. This has human health impacts where beachgoers have contracted severe waterborne illnesses. And in the Imperial Valley, the lack of clean drinking water for migrant farm workers is an environmental justice emergency. And at the same time, growers are being asked to conserve increasing amounts of water, and critical ecosystems like the Salton Sea and the Colorado River Delta suffer from chronic lack of inflow.
Our Big Idea team is a multidisciplinary team, and we have a range of expertise from community-based approaches to engineering, modeling, field research that we can apply collectively to solve these diverse water challenges that we're facing. We're working to create real-time monitoring of water quality to serve as an advanced warning system for water contamination. We also have world-class laboratory facilities and analytical capabilities that allow us to analyze thousands of chemicals, look at pathogens in water and toxicity. And our faculty are working with collaborators across the border to do field-based research, looking at groundwater depletion and modeling the risks of water scarcity and flooding. And then we're communicating those risks to our communities and stakeholders. For example, working on cell phone-based apps for farmers to provide critical water information that they need. The US-Mexico border region is a vital research laboratory for developing sustainable solutions to these complex water challenges at the national level. We hope that the solutions we develop for our border region can serve as a model for other border communities around the world, showing a sustainable way of addressing these complex problems. Only a sustained commitment to fund actionable research on both sides of the border can get us to the types of win-win solutions that we're trying to achieve. And really, we need advances in funding solutions just as much as we need innovations in our research in order to achieve and realize the vision for a sustainable and just water future for our border region.